Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 6 Rachana Sagar English Literature Reader chapter number 6 The World in a Wall. A part filling the blanks with the correct options. Number 1. The writer had placed a family of scorpions in a matchbox. Number 2. His brother absent-mindedly opened the matchbox. Number 3. Margot hurled the glass of water at mother. Number 4. Leslie overturned his chair when the scorpion went towards him. Number 5. The author collected them back and took them to the garden wall. Number B. Choose the correct options to complete the following statements. Number 1. Larry had spotted the scorpion. Answer is in the matchbox. Question number 2. When Larry flicked the scorpion, it landed between Leslie and Margot. Question number 3. Leslie suggested that they hit the scorpions with answer a book. Number 4. The writer was accused of answer making every matchbox a death trap. Now let's move to C part. Answer the following with reference to the context. Question number 1. I made up my mind to smuggle them into the house and to my bedroom so that I might keep them and watch them grow up. A part. Who did the writer want to smuggle into the house? Answer is scorpion. B part. Why is the writer have to smuggle them? Answer. Because he wanted to keep them. Now C part. Why did the writer want to keep them? Because he wanted to see baby growing up. Question number 2. The shower missed the animal completely but successfully drenched mother. A part. Which animal did the shower miss? Answer. Scorpion. B part. Who had sent the shower towards the animal and why? Answer. Margot had sent the shower towards the animal because the scorpion was coming towards her. C part. Why had the shower been directed at the animal? Answer. The shower had been directed at the animal to stop the scorpion. Question number 3. I felt it would be prudent to allow the family to have a siesta before seeing them again. A part. What is a siesta? Answer. It means afternoon nap. B part. Why did the writer not want to see the family immediately? Answer. Because he wanted them to get some rest. C part. Who kept the writer's company at that time? Answer. Roger. Now let's move to D section. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What did the author place in the matchbox? Answer. The author placed a mother scorpion and her babies in the matchbox. Question number 2. Why did the writer hurry back to the villa? Answer. The writer hurried back to the villa because he had captured the mother scorpion and her babies and wanted to keep them in his bedroom to observe them as they grew. Question number 3. How did Lugaredzia came to break the plate? Answer. Lugaredzia broke the plate when Larry roared in fright after discovering the scorpion on his hand. Her shock at the sudden commotion caused her to drop the plate. Question number 4. Why was the mother confused? Answer. The narrator's mother was confused because she didn't understand what the commotion was about. She was unaware of the scorpion's presence on the dining table and couldn't see clearly without her glasses, which made her even more bewildered. Question number 5. How did the fuss end? Answer. The fuss ended when the family retreated to the drawing room in frustration, and the author carefully rounded up the baby scorpions with a teaspoon, returned them to their mother, and released them outside on the garden wall. Question number 4. What was the true reason behind the writer spending the afternoon in the hills? Answer. The true reason was to give his family time to calm down after the chaotic incident with the scorpions before he faced them again. Thank you, students. Now the chapter is complete. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.